In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix a printer icon is not showing in the devices and printers here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, without any further ado, let's begin. Now, firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar here and type for services. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear and once it's here, click on open to continue. So in a few moments, you would be able to open up a new window, which is the services. Here, you need to select any of the service and type P in the keyboard so that you would be redirected easily to the location of the print spooler. Okay, so from here, you can see next to power. So we need to set it into automatic. So how we can do such, please make a right click, go with properties, and under the general, you can see there startup type. Click on this down arrow key and go with automatic. Now, one of the factor why you face an error is that you haven't set the startup type of print spooler as automatic. So that's very crucial to set it as automatic. Then if the service status is not running, then click on start. Okay? Let me just stop the service and it will show, and if you're in your case it is being stopped here, click on start to make sure that the service status is running. Once you're good, click on apply and then okay, and navigate to the left pane where you can see there restart the service. Please click on it and wait until it would be successfully restarted. Once done, close the window and restart the machine and your problem must be fixed. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the second method. The second method would be at the bottom search bar again. You need to type for settings. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Please click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So please wait until everything are set here before we continue to the steps. And once everything are ready, please navigate to the left side where you can see the system. Click on it and under the system settings you need to scroll down and look for troubleshoot. So I can see it here. And afterwards you would be able to see three options. Please locate with other troubleshooters. In that way, you would be able to see the printer here. All you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for printer. So in some cases, when you run the troubleshoot for the printer, it would fix the problem for you because your machine will fix the problem. Okay? Just complete the procedure. Okay, just complete the step. Follow the command there. Okay, and restart the machine. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.